How to use MicroVentures properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. MicroVentures is an online investment platform that allows everyday investors to participate in startup funding, but beginners often make mistakes that can cost them money or opportunities. Here's how to use MicroVentures properly. The first mistake is misunderstanding risk. Startups are high-risk investments, and MicroVentures doesn't guarantee returns. Beginners sometimes expect steady profits and may invest more than they can afford to lose. Diversify your investments and only allocate money you can risk. Second mistake, ignoring due diligence. MicroVentures provides company information, financials, and projections, yet beginners may skip the research. Carefully review each startup's business model, leadership team, market potential, and financial health before investing. Third mistake, underestimating fees. MicroVentures charges administrative fees on some transactions and investments. Beginners often forget to account for these costs, which can reduce net returns. Factor fees into your investment strategy. Fourth mistake, misunderstanding liquidity. Investments in startups are typically illiquid, meaning you can't easily sell your stake. Beginners expecting quick cash outs are often disappointed. Plan for long-term commitment when investing in startups. Finally, some users fail to monitor their portfolio. MicroVentures provides updates, but beginners may miss key announcements or changes in company performance. Stay informed to make timely decisions about follow-up investments or exits. Using MicroVentures properly means understanding risk, performing due diligence, accounting for fees, planning for illiquidity, and monitoring your investments. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll position yourself for smarter, more informed investing in the startup ecosystem.